Hey YouTube, I just wanted to show you around this room, and I always wanted to check out this hotel, but I never had the chance to. But now I just booked a room for a night and just to check it out and see. And I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, they use key cards for the elevators. I'm gonna show the front door. This is the front door here. Okay, now to turn on the power in the room, you need to put this card in the slot. You need to put your room key in the slot, and that turns on the power. Now I guess so many people thought it was a dumb idea that they just ended up putting cards in the slot permanently because there was a card there when I came in, or maybe someone left it in there. I'm not really sure about that. There's the front lock. It does have a lock here. Here is the washroom. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the washroom here, and there are wallpaper on the walls. Wallpaper on the walls. Here's the counter or vanity. I don't know why they do this. They put these like tissue paper bouquets, and when you pull one, all of them come out. So just a dumb idea, really. Nice mirror. Makeup mirror. And you have the shower with the glass door. And I'm not sure if these are real tiles. I don't think they are. I think these are like those sidings that look like real tiles. Like it's one whole piece, another piece, and then a third piece. I think that's what it is. It does look like real tiles, kinda. You know what? I'm not sure. But there's the faucet, and has a handheld shower, and it has that thing on the top there. There's the toilet. There's a waste basket. So that's the washroom. On the other side, you have your drawers. You have your cubby holes, a safe. What's that? I forgot. But there's a ironing board stand there. On this side, you have your little mini fridge. You have your Starbucks coffee. Now, I've never drank coffee in my life, but there's your coffee. And I was so hungry yesterday when I landed. I couldn't get the room service to answer, so I just ate a pack of sugar. Desperation. Let's see here. Alright, I drank a bottle of water. And let's see here. So let me show you the rest of this room. Here's the TV. It's big. I think it's like 55 or something like that. Now I like that they have the back thing, and this back thing is so they can hide the wires behind. They have carpet. It's fairly clean, but it does look kind of used up, but I mean it's clean, so it's okay. There's the bed. Some pictures on the wall. You have your vinyl. This thing's actually, I kind of dig it. The backboard, I kind of like it. You have your lights. Okay. USB right there. So some plugs on the bottom. More USB. HDMI. Okay. Then you have these lights are neat. They're on dimmers. So you know there's some action going on here. So watch this. Okay. And I can dim it. Huh? So pretty cool. And there's the second bed. Here's the... Oh yeah, I wanted to show you. They're supposed to have 24-hour room service here, but when I called at like 11:30, 12 o'clock, they kept hanging up on me, sending me to voicemail. So I wasn't too happy about that, but this morning they've been pretty good, and they have a lot of nice food here. So I have been eating. Oh, you know what I ate? I ate a Beyond Burger for the first time, and it's my first time, and I have to tell you, that was one of the, like, it tastes amazing. Why would I eat any other kind of, like, it tastes better than, you know, anything at McDonald's or Burger King or anything like that. Why would I eat McDonald's or Burger King or whatever? It was, like, it was good, and I don't know what to say about it. It's just that good. So I'm really, really impressed, okay? And, you know, you got your, I don't actually know what kind of fruit that is. Now, you know, if you know me, I don't get to eat a lot of different foods because I do have a limited diet, but tell me what fruit that is. Really, I'm learning this year. I'm trying more different foods, but I have a lot of food allergies, so it's always been, maybe I'll make a video about that topic. Another mirror over here, which looks over the bed. Let's look out here, and you have your cool views. Okay, I'm just gonna take the strap off my camera and we'll check this out. You have your parking down here. Cool views. You know, like when I say cool views, I really do enjoy watching planes land. And yeah, so let's check this out. All right.